In this video I'm going to tell what is helm chart. Okay, so I hope you guys already know the helm chart. So I just explained briefly. So helm chart is a package management tool to manage our Kubernetes files. Okay, suppose we are deploying an application in our organization, and the same applications wants to deploy some other employees in our organization, so we have to share the deployment files, all those things. So suppose we have deploying the database and all those things, so we have to manage a lot of files. Suppose deployment files, ingress files, secret files, all those things. So it's pretty difficult to manage all the files, so we have to share the files to our employees. So that's why you are using the helm chart. Okay, so I'm going to tell how to install in Amazon Linux. So we just go for that. So I'm root user. So I already make it a Kubernetes cluster. So they have two nodes, and I will yeah, kubectl get nodes. Okay, so you can see two nodes are running. You can see the status is ready. So okay, so I'm going to install. So we just go through the Google and download helm chart. Yeah, you can see that. Then we are directly going to the helm chart official documentation. Scroll down. Yeah, you can see the how to download it in Linux in the simple form, and I'm going to explain that. Okay, so you go through the desired versions, so it will go to the GitHub. Okay, it's the official GitHub repository. So in here you can see the old OSs. So I'm choosing Linux AMD64. Copy the link address, and I'm going to download in /opt directory. So cd/opt. So I just downloading the files. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you can see the files are here. So it's a tar file, so I'm going to untar that. So for that, tar -zx okay, zfvf and the files name. Okay, copy the files and paste it. Okay, then you can see the untarred files. So yeah, so we don't want the tar file. Okay, so I'm going to delete that. r of file. So you can see only the untarred files, so you can see the blue format. Okay, so so in this directory you can see a binary, helm binary. I will show you. So you can see the helm binary. So we want to move the helm binary to our /opt, sorry, from the /opt and /usr local bin. Okay, from the helm binary we have to move the binary to /opt local bin. Okay, that's only we have to work. Okay, so I'm going to move that for the me command and helm and to /usr/local/helm, sorry, bin. Okay, okay, so you can see there's no helm binary, so you already moved to that bin directory. Okay, so I'm going to into that directory, copy and paste. Sorry, so you can see the helm binary in /usr/local/bin. So then we just check here version, whether we can see the version or not. Okay, sorry, yeah, we couldn't find the version. Okay, so we have to add the path in our bash profile. Okay, the bash profile in root directory. So I'm going to that root directory. So just ls -la. You can see the bash profile here. So I'm going to add the path into that bash. Okay, bash profile. Okay, so okay, so go down and here I'm going to give the path. Okay, export. Okay, export space path. Okay, space is equal to $path column, then small letter usr local/bin. So we just added the path. Okay, we have a mistake. I did the semicolon, so we have to do the column. Okay, I think everything is alright. So I'm going to save this file, and we have to restart the bash profile. Okay, for that, source. Okay, source dot bash profile, sorry, bash underscore profile. Okay, it's restarted. Then I go into check the versions, helm version. Okay, you can see the version. Okay, then bye.